How to fix Twitch AutoMod blocking approved word. So to fix AutoMod blocking an approved word on mobile, you cannot use the standard Twitch mobile app interface. Instead, you must open your phone's web browser. So what you have to do is go to your phone's web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to twitch.tv, then log into your account. Once logged in, tap the three-dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down and then select Request Desktop Site. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then select your Create a Dashboard and then tap the hamburger menu icon to open the side panel. Then go to Settings and tap on Moderation. Then look for the AutoMod Controls section at the top of the page. Then scroll down to find the Permitted Terms and Phrases box. Then type the exact word or phrase that AutoMod keeps incorrectly blocking. Then add to save the exception so AutoMod ignores it going forward. Alternatively, if the word is sitting in your mobile mode view queue, you can tap to allow the message and choose to permit the term directly. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.